Good morning to all. Welcome back to our Geography second chapter. Today we shall begin our Geography second chapter. Our chapter name is Land, Rock and Minerals. Land, rock and mineral. What was our first chapter? What we studied from there? Our first chapter was about natural resources. Natural resources, classification of the natural resources, then human environment, natural environment and human environment. Human environment we studied, last topic it was about a human environment. But in this chapter we are going to study about the interior of our earth. Interior of our earth. Listen, environment, everything is related to topography. Right? It was related to our earth crust. But in this chapter we are going to study about what? Interior of our earth. Interior of our earth. Listen, what is the shape of our earth? Shape of our earth. Around spherical shape. What was anybody has any idea about the radius of our earth? Radius of our earth. It is 6,380 kilometer. The radius of our earth is from the equator. It will become around 6,380 kilometer radius is there for our earth. Listen, I told you we are going to study about the interior of our earth. For that we can compare our earth into a boiled egg. We can compare our earth into what? Into a boiled egg. What is the shape of egg? Almost a spherical shape. Then if we made a cross section of the egg, there will be how many? How many section will be there? If we are making a cross section of a boiled egg, we can see 3 layers. We can see 3 layers. That means a hard layer. On the top there will be a hard one. Then after that a white layer will be there. Then after that there will be a round shaped yolk of the egg. Like that 3 layers will be there in the boiled egg. Like that we can compare our earth into a boiled egg. There are 3 layers are there. Three layers are there for our earth. First one, topography of our earth. That is known as a earth crust. Earth crust. Topography is known as earth crust. That is the thinnermost and outermost layer of the earth. The earth crust. Listen, earth crust is made up of what? Earth, Sial and Sima. Listen, 2 types of continental crust and ocean bed. There are 2 types of the crust is divided into 2. First one in the ocean bed and the lithospheric part. That means our continental part. Ocean bed and the continental part. Here our continental part is made up of a crystalline rocks which What is the full form of Cl? Silicon and aluminum. That is our continental crust or a continental layer is made up of a Cl. That means silicon and aluminum. Then ocean bed is made up of what? Sima. That means silicon and magnesium. Silicon and magnesium. Listen. The top of our earth or a outermost layer of our earth is known as a crust. Crust is mainly divided into two, continental crust and the oceanic crust. Continental part it is made up of Cl, that means silicon and aluminum. Then ocean bed, that is made up of Sima, that means silicon and magnesium. Listen, the width of the or a thickness of the crust is vary from one place to another place. The thickness of the crust is vary from one place to another place. Listen. Then first it will be, if it is Sima or a continental place, it will around 35 to 70 kilometer. But in case of a continental place, continental part, it will around 5 to 10 kilometer. Listen, the thickness of the crust is vary from one place to another place. That will depends upon whether it is a continental place or a oceanic bed. If it is oceanic bed, it will be around 5 to 10 kilometer. If it is in a continental place, it will take up to 35 to 70 kilometer. It will depends upon the earth crust. Listen, next one, is it clear to you? Among the interior of the earth, first layer is known as a crust. Then second one, this is known as mantle. Mantle is again divided into two. Like our crust, mantle is again divided into outer mantle and inner mantle. Listen, mantle is again divided into two, outer mantle and inner mantle. Then outer mantle, what is the width of the outer mantle? Means 2900 kilometer. Around it will become how much? 2900 kilometer. Then inner mantle, it will become 1200 kilometer. Listen, what is the stage of a mantle? That is in a molten stage. Molten stage. What is the stage of a crust? That is in a crystalline rocks. Crystalline rocks, that means a hard part of our earth. That is known as a crust. Then just below the crust we have what? Mantle. What is the stage of mantle? Mantle is in a molten stage. Then what was the mantle is again divided into two, outer mantle and inner mantle. Outer mantle, what is the width or depth of the outer mantle? Around 2900 kilometer. Then inner mantle, it will reach up to 1200 kilometer. Around 1200 kilometer. Then third layer. Now two layers are over. Then third layer is known as a core. Core is again divided into two. Which are the outer core and the inner core. And the inner, outer core and the inner core. Listen. Outer core. This is also almost same like that, but it will outer core it will take a 2300 kilometer. And what about inner core? 1200 kilometer. 1200 kilometer. What is the stage of this one? Liquid form. It is in a liquid form. It is in a liquid form. Listen. Core is again divided into two, outer core and inner core. Outer core, the extent of outer core means it around 2300 kilometer. Then inner core means around the rest of the part. Listen, what is the stage of this core? That is in a liquid form. Listen, here it is outer core. This made up of one nickel iron alloy. This one we can found in a liquid form. That is why it is made up of a nickel iron alloy. Listen, nickel iron alloy. The magnetic field is controlled by, because of the existence of a core in a liquid form, the Earth's magnetic power is existing. Magnetic field is controlled by whom? By core. Magnetic field of the Earth is controlled by core, liquid form of the core, especially one nickel and one iron alloy is there. Listen, this is the structure or interior structure of our Earth, interior part of our Earth. Our Earth is what is the radius of our Earth? 6380 kilometer from its equator. What is the radius? 6380 kilometer. Our Earth will take a then. Interior of the Earth, I told you, in this chapter we are studying about the interior of our Earth. Here, interior of our Earth or a structure of our Earth. We can compare our Earth into boiled egg. In a boiled egg, if we are made a cross section of the egg, we can see how many layers? 3 layers. Like that, if you are dividing our Earth into, or if we are making a cross section of our Earth, inside the Earth we can see 3 parts. Which are the core, which is made up of a crystalline rocks. Then next one, mantle, which we can found in a molten stage. Then core, which we can found in a liquid stage. Listen, that is the stage. Crust, crystalline rocks, mantle, molten stage, core, liquid stage. Listen, now again we can come to crust. Crust is divided into 2, outer continental and oceanic bed. The distance or depth is vary from place to place. If it is in a continental area or a lithosphere area, it will take a 35 to 70 kilometer. Then if it is in a oceanic bed, it will be up to 5 to 10 kilometer. Next one, mantle. Mantle is again divided into outer mantle and inner mantle. What is the stage of that? It is in a molten stage. Then width also vary. Outer mantle it will take reach up to 2,900 kilometer. Inner mantle it will take up to 1,200 kilometer. Then last one, or a innermost layer of our earth, that is known as a core. Core again divided into two, inner core and outer core. What is the speciality or a peculiarity of a core? The magnetic field is controlled by core. The magnetic field is controlled by the which layer? Core, which we can found in a liquid form. Especially in our outer core we can found a nickel and iron alloy there. Interior of the earth is clear to you? I hope all concepts are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. That's all. Have a nice day. Thank you.